Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to watch US Netflix from outside the United States. First, go to the NordVPN website. Choose a plan that fits your needs and create an account. Then, download and install the NordVPN app on your device. You can use it on a computer, phone, or even a smart TV. Once the app is installed, open it and log in with your account details. You will see a map and a list of countries. To access US Netflix, you need to connect to a server located in the United States. You can do this by typing United States in the search bar or by clicking on a US location on the map. After connecting, wait a few seconds until the app says connected. This means your internet traffic is now going through a US server. Next, open Netflix in your web browser or app. You should now see the US Netflix library. To check, look for titles that are only available in the US, like certain new releases or exclusive shows. If Netflix doesn't show US content right away, try switching to another US server inside NordVPN for better performance. That's it. Thanks for watching.